How to clear cache on Shein Shopping App. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to clear cache on Shein Shopping App, open the Shein application on your device first. You will be led to the home page of Shein. Make sure you are signed in, and now on the bottom left, you will see the option for me. Tap on that and then tap on the gear-like icon on the top right. Here you will see the option for clear cache. Tap on that. You will receive a pop-up asking if you want to delete all temporary images to free up some space in your device. So go ahead and tap on the yes button, and with this you have successfully cleared cache on your Shein application. Clearing the cache helps in the smooth functionality of the application. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.